Hey guys, it's Annie, Creative.Cliche. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the Electric Nights collection by Morphe. So this is their holiday collection, and it's huge. So if you guys want to see the collection and also how I got this eye look, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I just got this collection sent in. So this is the Electric Nights collection by Morphe. This is the palette that says all the pricing on it. So that's my little cheat sheet, but this is the actual collection. Alright, so I'm just going to be showing you all the products in here, and then I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. Yeah. So we have the Glance Party 12-piece eyeshadow brush collection. So you have all of these brushes that come in this collection here. And if you just wanted to get the brushes, this set is $29, which is really good for all of these. It even comes with this little guy over here. Ugh, this is perfect for detailing. Then we have the Pump Up the Glam brush set. These are $79, but once you see them, you'll know that that price is worth it. Look at the ends here. So these are all the brushes from that collection. The camera, I feel like, just isn't picking up how beautiful these are. These are just so inspiring. I just want to use these every single day of my life. And they're textured too. It's not just a pattern on here. For me personally, I love things like this. It just, like I said, it inspires me every single day to just be creative. So I love having little pieces like this. Then this collection also comes with the continuous setting spray. And if you wanted to get this on its own, it's $16. So we have the Last Kiss collection. So these are all of Morphe's most popular lip colors, which it's no surprise that they're nudes. These look amazing. But if you wanted to get this set, it's $29. And last but not least, we have the 39L palette, which is Hit the Lights. These are beautiful shades. So if you want to get this palette, it's $42, which isn't bad for all of these shades. The really cool thing about this palette is that Morphe worked with 4 different influencers who curated 8 shades each. So I'll put all of their tags up here. I love that Morphe really supports influencers. That's such a cool thing about their brand. And also their makeup products are affordable and they're always awesome. I don't think they've ever dropped the ball. But in the palette, it also came with this guy that has all the shades on here. These are usually pretty annoying, but what I do is I typically just tape them to the top here so that if I ever need to see the shade names for something, it's always right there. For the makeup look, I'm thinking of doing something very like galaxy-esque. So I Googled a picture of galaxies and this popped up. So I'm gonna do something in those tones, so like purple, blue, hot pink, and then I'll definitely be using this silver glitter because I need to. So I think I'm going to start with the lighter colors first. I'm going to go in with this icy pink, which is Euphoric, and I'm also going to go in with Reckless. So we got this icy pink, and I'm going to be using this hot pink. I wonder if I should use a primer real quick. That's right, she's a professional. Should I just do it kind of like a marbled look, just kind of like how the galaxy is, just kind of all different colors? Let's try it. So since we're doing that, I'm just kind of be super spotty with this. So I really want to keep almost like a cat eye kind of structure to it, but still look crazy. I can't believe how much pigment these shadows have. This is crazy. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Daring, which is this guy here. It's that really pretty like flame red. And since it's so similar to the pink, I'm just going to go over some of the pink areas so that I can leave those whiter areas for another color. All right, guys, then I'm gonna go in with that blue shade, which is Don't Stop. After I lay all the blue down, I'm gonna go in and blend it in with some of the pink shades to create a purple, since there's not a purple in here. Then I'm going to go in with that icy pink that I was trying to go in with earlier. That one is Euphoric. And I'm just going to put this in like just different kind of splotches here, just to give it more of a metallic vibe. Oh, I love that shade. Going back in with that more of that hot pink. just dotting it over certain areas. I'm gonna go in with that sparkly black that's called Obsessive. So that's just a black shade with silver sparkles. And I'm gonna do almost like a messy kind of wing. Like I want to create kind of like the illusion of little dots making up a wing, and then go underneath the eye as well. All right, then I'm gonna try wetting my brush using the setting powder, and then I'm gonna dip into one of these white shades. So both of them are very iridescent. The bigger one looks like it's more sheer than the smaller one. The smaller one definitely has more pigment, but this one is the big white one, which seems like it's more of just like a topper to have a iridescent shift to it. And then this one is the smaller white. So the top guy is more of like a sheer, like iridescent with like a purple shift, and then the smaller one has more of a blue shift to it, and it's more pigmented. So like I said, I'm gonna go in with the setting spray. I'm gonna spray this tiny detail brush, and then I'm gonna dip into the smaller white. And I just want to create almost like little flecks like there is in the galaxy. I feel like if you didn't know what I was going for, you'd be like, what the hell is this mess? Now I'm gonna go in with that silver glitter, which is Love Bomb. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna put some eyeliner in my waterline, pop on some lashes, do my hair, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I feel like these lashes, like everything's coming together. Alright, now for the lips. Let's see what shade I want out of here. Okay, so let me try this gloss real quick. This is in Boho. It's this guy here, so looks like a really pretty baby pink. Like a baby pink nude, which is right up my alley. Let's see. I really love that shade. I think I'm gonna buy this one in a full-size tube because I feel like I'm gonna wind up wearing that every single day. I think I'm gonna top it off a little bit with, I think it's Froze. This guy here. So it looks like a shimmer top coat. Yeah, just a little bit of sparkle. So this is the finished look, guys. I really love the way that it turned out. I think it looks really cool. I haven't seen anything like it, so hopefully someone else didn't do like something similar. I'm gonna be real pissed. But let me know what you guys think of the collection down below. Are there any items that you would go out and purchase on your own? What did you think of the brushes? Honestly, guys, I am gonna be using these non-stop. This just, oh, and it feels like somebody messaged me and was asking if this feels weird because it's textured, and no, I like that it's textured. It doesn't feel like really rough against your hands, if that's what you mean. It's not like sharp or anything like that. It's pretty smooth. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I already said that. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like. If this is on YouTube, make sure to subscribe if you want to see more videos. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one.